Hello. Hi, my friend. If you aren't a subscriber to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button now. But if you are a subscriber, hey girl, welcome back. So I guess you're wondering why I'm here. I guess I'm wondering that same thing. No, I'm just kidding. So I'm here because, well, I just want to start something new on my channel. I want to start something new, refresh, and fun. Here I have a mystery scripture. I know. Probably wondering where it is in the Bible. But if you already know where it is in the Bible, go ahead and comment that below. First one to comment this scripture and where it is located in the Bible will receive a shout out. You'll receive a shout out on my YouTube, you'll receive a shout out on my Instagram, and you'll receive a shout out on my Snapchat. So if you're not following me on those platforms, you might want to do that now. So just to make my page fun and incorporate God in everything that I do, go ahead and figure out where this scripture belongs. Without further ado, let's get on with the video. Bye. Hey guys, MakeupSy here. Welcome back to my channel. My brows are already done. I just was on Facebook Live and just talking, doing my brows, so they are already done and on. I use both of my even 24-hour pencil, chocolate and a deep espresso, and then I use my Juvias Place let me just slow down. I use my Juvias Place concealer in the shade J12 for the bottom, and then I use my Pro Conceal in the shade Chestnut for the top so it can blend a little bit better. I'm pretty excited about this video because it is a Juvias Place video. I'm just super excited about that. If you hear anything in the background, that's just my mom. She's just moving around sewing and stuff, so no worries. I bought the entire palette. I got the violets. It looks like this. I bought the violets palettes and I freaking love it. Berries. This is so freaking pretty. I cannot wait to use this one. Chocolate. The chocolates. This one is actually really pretty. This is the nudes. So I have here all 4 palettes of the collection. I am pretty excited about using these, especially the purple and the pink ones. I am obsessed with the purple one. Purple is not like my favorite go-to color, but definitely this is beautiful. Look at that. Oh my goodness, so cute. And also I'm a pink fan. Like, I love pink. I kind of got it a little messed up right here, but that's okay. And it's just so pretty. I just can't wait to use it. I'm just excited about these. They're so small. They are like handheld compared palettes. It's really small. This is the Zulu palette, Nubian palette, so it's fairly bigger. These are the mini, so it's fairly big compared to their other palettes. So that's good. They're just so cute. They like really small and compact. I will be swatching each of these colors. And also I will be doing a 4-look for a palette, so it might be split in half. You never know, and just in case it's like too long, I will probably split it in half. You know how you guys know how I do. Without further ado, without further ado, let's get into this. Okay guys, I know it's a different setting, a difference. It is actually the next day, so I was actually waiting for a package to come in. This is a package from PopSwatch. It is basically different swatch stickers, so it can help you swatch your palette a little bit easier. You won't have to just put it across your arm and then it won't look cute or anything like that. And it's just such a cute package. These eyes are so adorable, and then they also have here a couple of things noted on the back. Why we love it, directions on how to use it, so that's going to come in handy when I definitely will start applying them. So basically you can swatch what is this, 9 you know, designs, but for the sake of these palettes it come with 6 you know, like eyeshadow pots. So I will have to, you know, I don't know, if I want to do 2 palettes, I'll have to just stretch it. I don't know. So 9 on each one, which is kind of uneven, but we're just gonna have to work it out and try to see how we can, you know, basically finesse it. And also it came with this little cute little card that said, did we just become besties? Yes, please. And then they have a little note on the back basically showing their appreciation on you purchasing, you know, one of their swatches. They have so many different designs. I just didn't know what to pick. I just kept it pretty much traditional, tried to be unique. Got a little makeup brushes and then the eyeshadow words and then the traditional swatches that, you know, the basic ones. Yeah, so let's just basically start swatching. So the directions basically say scrub the clean area of placement and remove dead skin. It said ask a friend to help peel off and evenly place the stencil. I'll probably just do it myself. Swatch and remove stencil once makeup is fully dry. So okay, so starting out, this color was just so pretty. Honestly, I had ended up changing the angle of it just so you guys could see a little bit better right here. And then I just went ahead on and just, I didn't know how much to put up on there because honestly, from the looks of it, from my view, it looked like it wasn't a lot being applied. But honestly, when I took it off, it was very, very bold and very, very vibrant. And this is without concealer. So just imagine if I was to put concealer there and let it dry or whatever, it probably would have been way, way more pigmented than it is, even though it's already pigmented. But yeah, I'm just basically trying to wipe my fingers off. But next, this was my favorite palette. Honestly, the purple one I thought was my favorite palette, but this one topped the cake just because of that burgundy. I love burgundy eyeshadow. Burgundy is actually my favorite color, one of my favorite colors. And it's just, that color shows up so good. It doesn't give you like a hot pink, but it definitely gives you that perfect burgundy shade. And yeah, I'm just basically patting this on. I'm not doing anything special right here. Just basically making sure that that color is showing up. Honestly, all of the shimmer and metallic shades showed up so good. I mean, really, really good. One swipe was good enough. So moving on to the bottom colors, I honestly had to use a couple of, well, one of the stencils out of the other pack. So I'm just cleaning off my little wrist to apply this. And my OCD was just kicking in, man. I swear, like these things, this particular stencil was a little bit difficult to put on. And excuse my quarantine hands. You know, I've been washing my hands like crazy, so it need to be a little rusty. So don't come for me in them comments now. But yeah, so putting this on, this color, look at that. And that's just one swipe, honey. That was so pretty. I just did the extra and just tried to make sure every crack was filled, even though I didn't need to do that because we are using a stencil. Am I saying that right? Stencil? Whatever, y'all know. So these last three colors was so bomb. They just showed up really, really good. And I was just like really just freaking out. This is my favorite part. It was so satisfying peeling this off. I just cannot. I almost ripped it a little bit because I was just being a little overly excited. So I just took my time. So it looked like I'm going slow, but honestly, I sped this up to the max and it still looked like I was going slow. My hand's so rusty. I cannot believe myself. Anyway, ignore that. Look at that. That is so pretty. Like, oh, the satisfyingness. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful. So cute. So as you guys could tell by the looks of those colors, they are so vibrant. So look at that, pigmented. Like I think my hands are gonna be staying like this for a long time, but we ain't stressed. Look at this. All the colors are just so bold, so vibrant, beautiful, 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 beautiful. I cannot wait to dip into these palettes and just see how they really apply and see how they work, because Juvias Place, you got a winner. Now we're moving on to the next colors. Let's go. Oh my God, this was so satisfying. Y'all know I like took my time peeling this thing off because it was just so satisfying. And honestly, this came on so smooth and so good. I didn't have a hard time putting this on at all. So after putting this little 3 swatch stencil on, I just figured I didn't know how I calculated at first. I don't know. And then right here, I'm basically calculating my math like, okay, what's a 3? What's a 3? Wait, no, I can actually do it like this. So I ended up just doing 2 on each brush, 2 colors on 1 brush, and then just saving that one for later because we don't want to waste anything. And I just ended up starting. So the chocolate palette has got to be like my favorite out of the darker ones, like the neutral one, and then the berries has to be like my favorite out of the 2 color ones. And I just like that the chocolate one had 2 dark tones, not just 1 chocolate tone. And then that one was the chocolate one, and it actually kind of blended in with my skin. I actually kind of went double with this one because I thought it didn't show up on my skin. But again, I was just getting confused at the stencil. You know, I didn't know how it worked on my skin, but honestly, it showed up pretty well. So just watch. I'm doing the same thing I did on the last one. Nothing special. Nothing. No. So just enjoy. Okay guys, so as you guys seen, those swatches were beautiful, just as beautiful as the first one. Those stencils really work. Honestly, you just gotta take your time. I had to take off the other ones because it was just, I didn't need it. I thought I counted wrong. I thought I was gonna use the whole little makeup brush, but we didn't need all that. So I just saved it. I didn't care how it looked. Honestly, my OCD is gonna tell me to go back and refix it because I need it to be neat. Yes, that is the end of this Juvias Place mini palette series, or you know, not even series, because you know we will start a series, you never know. But that is the end of the Juvias Place unboxing and showing you guys these beautiful palettes that they have came out with. They are so gorgeous and so pretty. I showed you guys how the package looked, the sizing, showed you guys how they applied, and you know, and the swatching. I want to say thank you to PopSwatch. I ordered these, they came back super fast, and I'm just excited. I can't wait till you guys see the looks that I have coming. I will be doing no, I will be doing some tutorials for you guys because I know you guys missed my eyeshadow tutorials, so I will be back with those, and my foundation routines. First time doing foundation in 4 months, so I hope that you guys are ready for this because honey, We're coming. We're swaying. So without further ado, please feel free to hit the subscribe button before you guys leave. Don't forget to like and comment on this video. And I hope to see you guys in the next video. Thanks again for watching. Bye.